What's up, y'all? We back, baby. 2 days in a row. Yes, I'm cooking again. I got 2 bottles of water I just put in the pot. Put some chili flakes, some more chili flakes. Give it some flavor. You gotta put oil in your water so your noodles don't stick. Made that mistake the last time I cooked a pasta dish. You gotta put a good amount. Stops it from sticking, it kind of coats them. Trash cans over there. But I'll be back when I get ready to make my sauce. Alright, y'all, we back. And we about to put, I got some butter in here, about a quarter of a stick of butter. We got mushrooms and tomatoes going in. Those cooked down, and I'm gonna put the lobster in with it. We want the lobster to cook. Yes, I got fresh lobster tail in here with some shrimp. I got some crab legs, and so y'all can see. Let me grab it real quick. Add these shells of crab myself. Got the there's crab legs. I de-shelled it myself and shredded it up a little bit. But grab my spoon, kind of mix it around. And I'm not gonna put no seasoning on it yet, but y'all will see. It's gonna be amazing. I'm doing this so the butter gets on everything. Only thing fresh I'm not using is onion because if you follow my channel, you know I don't like the crunch of onions. And it's gonna take too long if I put fresh onion. So I'm gonna use onion powder, I believe. I have some. If not, it'll be good without it. And I'll be back. I forgot to put the garlic in. There we go. Garlic in. This is empty. So now that goes in there. Grab the spoon back up so I can mix it real quick. And I'll be back with part 2. Alright, y'all, we're back. We're gonna put some more, because I strained out the water from the tomato, well, the juice from the tomato and all the water. So we're gonna put some more butter in here. And then we're gonna, this is juice from straining out the noodles and the juices, because I need a bigger pan for the next stages. We got the crab meat going in. We got the shrimp going in. And this is where we do the seasoning. We got the Mediterranean sea salt. A good amount of salt. There we go. Smoked paprika. White garlic. We got crushed red peppers. I'm only gonna put a little bit of this in here. Alright, y'all. Chopped up some parsley. We're gonna put this all in here. Beautiful color, herbal flavor, but it's a super mild flavor. So that's why you gotta put a good amount. We're gonna take a little bit more garlic. Just scoop it on my finger. Fuck it. I clean, don't worry. Oh, shoot. Got that pepper in my nose. Happens every time. The last step is putting some baby spinach in. Well, I'm gonna mix this up and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, we back and we gotta finish this up. We got some heavy whipping cream. Good amount of that. We gotta mix this around. Put this right here. And trust me, this ain't it. And my thickener is Parm. And if you guys want to see some more recipes, check out my YouTube. It's Truck Cooking with Trucker's Life. I don't post on there as much as I do on TikTok anymore because my TikTok wasn't grown, or my YouTube wasn't growing like my TikTok started doing after my first video. But this video will be on YouTube tomorrow. Mix this up. This is gonna be delicious. Trust, that ain't it. We still got a little bit more to put in here. As a matter of fact, time to put it in. Oh, let this boil or get to a boil, and I'll be back with part 3. We got the baby spinach right here. Put it on top. You don't want to mix it because it's going to break up everything in here. Shout out to Danielle here at the truck stop. She's one of my followers. And Danielle, just so you know, you got a plate waiting for you tonight. Well, when you come in tomorrow. Yes, she does. She's a follower, so she gets a plate. I'm gonna start selling plates. I'm gonna start doing that because I need the extra money. Because if things don't work out, I need a backup plan. My fellow truck drivers, y'all understand. To people that are not truck drivers, what I'm saying is this company that messed up on my check 2 weeks in a row. I just started with them. I can't keep doing this. And I don't care if they see this or not. I can't. I can't keep doing my checks being short, and then we'll put it on the next check, and then the next check they forgot to put my breakdown pay. I love the company atmosphere, but I gotta get paid. I gotta get paid for what I do. So what I'm gonna do is cover that up, put the lid on, put that on top of that. Alright, y'all, we back, baby. We about to plate up the bowl for a worker here at the truck stop. There we go. And this is still hot, so I'm putting hot sauce into mixing into some noodles. Yeah, I told you got a plate. Oh, what am I doing? Mix it around. Grab some more meat out of here. And we might get a taste test tonight, y'all. I think we will. We'll put some shrimp back. This is a seafood Alfredo with lobster, shrimp, and crab. Here it is. In here. Take that pasta out because it was hanging over the edge. And then just take the spoon, scoop out some sauce without nothing. Add that to it. That way the noodles don't dry out. And y'all, that is our plate. And part 4 will be possibly a taste test. If there's not a part 4, I didn't get a taste test. But that don't hardly happen.
Hold on real quick. We about to do
Alright, y'all, we got a taste test. Let's see. Watch her reaction, because I already know it's good. It's got lobster, shrimp, and crab.
There you go. That's really good.
Have homeboy try it. Let him know. Here's his fork. Here's his fork.
I don't.
No, you gotta try it, bro.
I don't really eat.
No. Here's a new fork. Oh, you guys are together?
Yeah, we're together.
Well, okay. Watch this. Watch this. It's about to change his mind because everything is fresh.
It is good though.
You just taste this
I don't really eat Alfredo. That shit slap.
Hey,
That's really
I told
good.
you,
That shit slap.
You got it.
this is made 100% from scratch in my truck, right back here.
That shit slap.
That's crazy.
Put that in the fridge for Danielle,
Yep. we
because she's
will.
one of my subscribers.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna try to find somebody else to try the last bowl.
Okay.
But you guys see, she can't stop. It's made with fresh spinach, fresh tomatoes, fresh mushroom. Everything is fresh. Thank you. Let's go. We got taste test number 3, y'all, for the night. Everything, the sauce and everything made from scratch. Watch this, y'all.
That shit good as hell. That shit fire.
Oh, that's yours. That's all yours. I don't make people share plates.
That shit fire.
He shared because that was his lady that tried it. So they sharing a plate, but
That shit fire.
you got your own.
Thank you. That was good.
Hey,
That was good.
do you follow TikTok? I'm on TikTok. That's what you about to be on. Well, you about to be tonight.
He said you about to be tonight. That shit fire.
All right, man. God bless you. You have a good one. We had 3 successful taste tests, right?
Yeah.
Hey, come here real quick. Come here real quick.
He said, come here.
You be on TikTok?
I don't. My kids do. She does. I don't.
Okay, well,
I be on Facebook usually. That's how
like I
do
said, I got my own TikTok. This is what I do on TikTok. You know what I mean? It's just showing people, it's showing other truck drivers that we don't have to eat
Eat this shit.
this stuff.
Right.
We can actually cook shit from scratch.
Right.
If you know how to do it, and if you don't know how to do it, follow my recipes.
And
Because
then
I show you
learn how
from
to do it.
scratch everything how to do
That's
it.
the way to do it. You learn how to do it.
But hey, y'all, we got 3 successful taste tests in one night, and we out.